Alright, cover it now. Here you go. Good morning. Welcome again to my channel. Come, Jokey, come. Come inside. Come. Come over. Here are my chicky babies at week 2. And I've changed their bedding. I've changed their cardboard. And here's their feeding pan I've put up for them. And this is the second feeder I've put up for them. So here you go, 100 of them. Turn it over and give it to me. Yes, and I'm gonna give them one more water pan here. No, Jokey, leave it alone. Wow. Leave it alone, Jokey. Turn it over and put it right here. Try out my shoes. Try out my shoes. Give it to me. Okay. And here we go. Wow. Rag. There we go. Wipe up my shoes. So here we are. 100 of them. And we have finished the cove and parted in 2. So the 100 are over here. And the mesh has been put up. Here you go, the mesh has been put up. And that's the back there. Use some old zincs. It still haven't finished 100% because we are going to put up the brooder and the rest. Down there needs a little flashing up with some cement and pulverized marl. Yes, so there we go. We've split the cube in half. Still haven't split it official as yet. Just put a zinc there for the time being. Yes, so I'm gonna put some more chicken over there. Today I'm supposed to collect those chickens, but I'm not gonna put them in here. I'm gonna put them in the brooder that I had, and then when they are bigger, we transfer them here. Yes, so there we go. That's where we are now. If you like my video, please subscribe so that you won't miss another video. We're going up to 7 to 8 weeks with the chicken. Up to killing, up to every moment that you are having with them. So every week I'm going to give you a video. So please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Alita. Bye.